In the endless, silent expanse of deep space, our most powerful telescopes are always watching, searching for answers to humanity's oldest questions. We expect to find new planets, distant galaxies, maybe even hints of life. But what NASA just discovered was something else entirely. Something so unexpected, it's forcing scientists to rethink everything they thought they knew about the universe. This isn't just another star or a faint smudge on a photographic plate. This is a cosmic anomaly that defies our current understanding of physics. So, what is this mysterious discovery that has the entire astronomical community buzzing? It all started with the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST for short. While peering into a region of space thought to be relatively empty, a cosmic dark patch, the telescope detected something it shouldn't have. It wasn't a star, a planet, or a galaxy. It was a signal, a pattern of energy that seemed almost artificial. Initially, the team at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center thought it was an instrument malfunction, a glitch in the system. They ran diagnostics, recalibrated the sensors, and pointed the telescope at the same spot again. The signal was still there, and it was getting stronger. This wasn't a simple radio wave, like the ones we've been searching for with SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. This was something far more complex. The signal was a repeating, structured burst of energy across a wide spectrum of frequencies, from radio waves all the way up to gamma rays. Such a broad-spectrum, coherent signal has never been observed in nature. Natural phenomena, like pulsars or quasars, emit energy in specific, often chaotic patterns. This was different. It was ordered. It was precise. It was like listening to a cosmic metronome, ticking with a rhythm that felt eerily deliberate. The source of the signal was traced to a location roughly 4 billion light-years away, in a seemingly empty void between galaxy clusters. This is another piece of the puzzle that doesn't fit. Usually, powerful energy signals come from very active, dense regions of space, like the cores of galaxies, where supermassive black holes reside. But this was coming from the cosmic wilderness, a place where, according to our models, nothing of this magnitude should exist. What could possibly generate so much power, so far from any known source of gravitational or nuclear energy? The initial hypothesis was a new type of celestial object, something we've never theorized before. Maybe a quark star or a remnant of a primordial black hole. But none of the existing theories could account for the structured nature and incredible energy output of the signal. The energy released in a single burst was equivalent to the total energy output of our sun over several thousand years. To generate that kind of power requires a process far beyond our current scientific comprehension. It was a true unknown. As NASA scientists and astrophysicists around the world scrambled to analyze the data, they noticed another bizarre characteristic. The signal wasn't just a simple repeating pulse. Embedded within the main bursts were smaller, more complex patterns. It was like finding a secret message hidden inside another message. Using advanced decryption algorithms and supercomputers, the team began the painstaking process of trying to decipher these sub-patterns. The work was slow and frustrating. They were trying to understand a language without a dictionary, a code without a key. Then came the breakthrough. One of the lead researchers, Dr. Aris Thorne, noticed that the patterns weren't random. They corresponded with fundamental mathematical constants. Pi, the golden ratio, and even the fine structure constant, which governs the strength of electromagnetic interaction. It was as if something or someone was broadcasting the fundamental laws of the universe. This discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The implication was staggering. A random natural phenomenon wouldn't broadcast mathematical constants. This was a clear sign of intelligence. But the question remained, who or what could be behind it? And why? One popular theory that emerged is the idea of a Type 3 civilization on the Kardashev scale. This is a hypothetical civilization so advanced that it can harness the energy output of an entire galaxy. Such a civilization would be capable of creating a beacon of this magnitude, a cosmic lighthouse to signal its existence to other emerging intelligent species across the universe. If this is true, this signal could be the most profound discovery in human history, the first confirmed contact with an extraterrestrial intelligence. Another, more unsettling theory suggests the signal might not be a friendly hello. Some scientists have raised the possibility that it could be a warning. The void from which the signal originates is vast and empty for a reason. Perhaps it was cleared out by whatever created this signal. The immense power could be a display of technological might, a stay-away sign for a territory ruled by an incredibly powerful entity. The mathematical precision could be a way of saying, we understand the universe in a way you cannot possibly fathom, and we are its masters. This thought is both terrifying and humbling. To get more answers, NASA is coordinating with other space agencies, including the European Space Agency and the China National Space Administration. A global effort is underway to point every available radio and optical telescope towards the source. Projects like the Square Kilometre Array in Australia and South Africa, once completed, will be instrumental in gathering more data and providing a much clearer picture of what we are dealing with. We are essentially throwing all of our technological eyes and ears at this one single point in the sky, hoping to catch another glimpse of this cosmic enigma. The discovery has also sparked a philosophical debate. If we confirm this is an intelligent signal, should we respond? A reply would reveal our own location, our level of technology, and our very existence. Stephen Hawking famously warned against this, comparing it to the first contact between Native Americans and Columbus, which didn't end well for the natives. A civilization capable of building such a powerful beacon could be benign, or it could be predatory. We would be broadcasting our vulnerability to the entire cosmos, with no way of knowing who might be listening. The decision to reply or to continue listening silently may be one of the most important choices humanity ever has to make. Meanwhile, the data continues to pour in. The James Webb Telescope has detected faint, periodic dimming of the background starlight around the signal source, suggesting a massive artificial structure might be orbiting, well, nothing. Or perhaps orbiting an object so strange it doesn't emit light. This could be a Dyson sphere or a similar megastructure, a colossal artificial construct built to harness energy. The idea that a structure potentially millions of kilometers in diameter could exist is mind-boggling. It's the stuff of science fiction, but the data, as strange as it is, points towards this incredible possibility. The signal is not constant. It goes silent for long periods, then returns, each time with slight variations in its complex internal structure. It's as if it's updating its message, or perhaps even responding to the increased attention it's receiving from Earth. Could it be that the creators of this beacon are now aware of us? Are they studying us as we study them? This possibility adds a layer of urgency and a touch of paranoia to the entire endeavor. Every new piece of data is scrutinized, not just for what it tells us about the universe, but for what it might tell us about the intentions of its creators. What happens next is anyone's guess. We are standing at a precipice, staring into a new and unknown chapter of human exploration. This single, unexpected discovery has shattered our perception of our place in the cosmos. We may not be alone, and our neighbors could be beings of unimaginable power and intelligence. For decades, we have looked up at the stars and wondered. Now, it seems the stars may be looking back. The universe has just sent us a message, and the challenge of a lifetime will be to understand it. Whatever the truth is, one thing is certain. Our view of the universe and ourselves will never be the same again. This journey into the unknown has just begun. Thanks for watching. What do you think this mysterious signal could be? A friendly greeting, a dire warning, or something else entirely? Let us know your theories in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by the mysteries of the cosmos as we are, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown. Stay curious.